Welcome back to Sunday Funday, where we review our M1 Finance Roth IRA spreadsheet. In this video, we're going to review our deposits, our purchases, and our dividends received. So for the month of March, we deposited a total of about $2,035, and most of that was our tax return and our $1,400 stimulus check. We decided to take this stimulus check and add a new ETF to our Roth IRA to create more income within the Roth IRA, and we added QYLD. As you guys know, we have that in our Webull dividend account, and it's been performing fairly well for generating dividends so that we can purchase more stocks or ETFs. As soon as we received our stimulus check, we deposited in and we were able to buy almost 63 shares of QYLD for $22.24. And since then, we have added a total of about 10 and a half more shares. We're already seeing the income come in, as you can see right now, for all the shares that we have now, which is 73 and a half shares. Every month we will get paid $17.16. We have already received our first dividend payment, and this was our stimulus check. So basically every month our stimulus check will basically pay us $14.09. As far as the dividends received, we received dividends from all 5 of our ETFs within our Roth IRA for the month of March. SPHD paid us $19.11. BTI paid us $10.53. BYM was $41.95. QYLD was $14.09. And then BCLT paid us $2.70. It is pretty exciting to see that we are currently up about $3,000 within the account, and that we also have the potential of earning $748.96 with doing absolutely nothing. The total dividends received so far has been $336.52. And if you remember, we started this back in 2020. So we have only been doing this for less than 2 years, and we've been able to deposit about $15,000 in here, and it's currently worth about $18,500. And like I said, it's generating on a yearly basis almost $750. And then once we add the rest of our deposits for the year of 2021, which we have about $2,900 left to go, hopefully we'll have this number up over $1,000 a year, which would be pretty amazing, because that'll get this pretty close to almost $100 a month in dividends. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember, this is Sunday Funday, where we review our Webull dividend portfolio, our Roth IRA, our Fidelity Health Savings Account, and our growth portfolio within M1 Finance. The value of all of the accounts added all together is about $32,000, and we currently have received a total of $706 worth of dividends. Well, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Also, if you want to see other investing videos, you can click the links on the screen or check out the sidebar. Thanks for watching.